What's up guys, welcome back again. So now we have the OnePlus 6. As always, it's time to show you some of the accessories that you can use on your OnePlus or any devices whichever I used to purchase. Now some of these cases, I guess all the cases are India made only. I was searching for some global cases like the Speak and Rhino Shield. As of now they are not available, so once they will be there I will show you. So if you guys are watching this video also in India, stay tuned to the channel. I will show you all the possible accessories, but the skins and the tempered glasses, scratch protectors are available. You can easily buy from India or anywhere else. You can get to your door. So this is your OnePlus 6 Midnight Black. So they looks exactly same. That is surprising how they made it, but this is glass, this is a metal, a glass is a glass, this metal is a metal, simple maths. It will survive. If it is fall from a certain height, it won't. So use some good cases. The one you get with your phone officially, it's not that good. It's just cheap, it's a backup case. You can always carry around, but it just changes colors so frequently. Very soon, once it gets old. So buy some good cases. That's why I'm going to show you some of the best one. There are some official cases that I'm using, like this is sandstone color. This is available for the OnePlus 6. You can buy if you want. Anyway guys, let's start with the tempered glass that I am using. Now, even though I don't use tempered glasses because there are some good reasons. Number one thing is that after some times they get some heavy scratches, which is very poor. You can see it just got a couple of bubbles too, some heavy scratches, and it got some minor crack too. That happens, it may injure you, or it may even give a deep scratch on your phone too. So I don't use tempered glasses. If you can make your phone safe, just use some good cases. Anyway, if you want to use tempered glass, I will always recommend to go with the official case, because official tempered glass, sorry, because it is just good. It is designed perfect for your phone. So that's your official tempered glass. Let me show you something here. If I just go and create a new note here, I'm just going to show you some test sensitivity, like how does it work. So this is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 QWERTY. That's the test sensitivity. Just wanted to show you like all characters are properly accessible. You can see everything. You just see I may actually to type, so it just works so great. Now this is a glass, so in case your fingers have some kind of moisture, so you will get some kind of sensitivity issues. It won't be as slippery as it is as of now. So that's the problem coming, and this is the reason I always use some kind of scratch protector. I'll come to it later. So other than that, some issues are there. No matter how perfectly you apply, I mean in my case, from the last 3 years I'm just applying, I get couple of bubbles always. They're just not getting away. They're always there on my phone. So even though once you unlock, you won't see that thing. Other than that, everything exactly cool. It just covers some part of your screen a little bit. So I guess once you start using that, you will get used to it. No problem so far. So moving ahead, let's talk about the cases. So these cases are available in India. You can easily get that thing. So this is the first one from the Real company. Here we go. They claim to be a shockproof case, but I don't think so. They are gonna save your phone from the damage at all. So that's a new one. They just copied some original sources. You guys know about the SPIN, right? So if you have the case on, the tempered glass on, I am seeing the tempered glass is over the case. So that means it's not going to make your phone safe or make your tempered glass safe, but still whatever it is just like that. Real case. It is available in different colors like red, I believe, black, and blue also. The one I picked is the blue in the color. So not too much impressed, just okay. Let me show you the clicky buttons are easily tactile. It just clicks fine. No problem so far. So that's okay. Case. Next case we're gonna try out is later. This one looks fancy, some classy case. This is from the company called as a Golden Sand. So they also make such kind of case, but I'm just showing you, which is slightly different. So it looks slightly cool once you apply that. Yes, it makes your camera safe. Proper cutouts there, easily accessible. Not going to show you drop tests because they are not officially. They haven't said anything like this is drop proof case. Like there is no MIL 810G certified. This anti-shock, 360-degree protections once you have tempered glass. So no, tempered glass is still. I can see my phone rotating on the tempered glass, so it's not covering exactly. Use your naked without tempered glasses. So everything is just good. Buttons are fine, slightly clicky, tactile feedback is there. So there you go, this is your golden sand case in case you wanted to use that thing. Next case we're gonna try out is this, and this one is really exciting because what I looked on the screen before purchasing the case, that was so awesome. So wow, that looks premium. It has a different design. You can see the buttons are completely different, unlike the other buttons. You can see the power button, for an example. Generally, buttons are always out like we see, or there is a proper cutout like this kind of stuff, but you can see it is completely hidden. That's why I try to show you, and you can easily see the original color also. So let it apply. So yes, there you go, it easily fits. So still tempered glass is out because that glass is so big, that is why. But yeah, holding it looks great. It's slightly bulky, but kind of a squarish feeling, but clicking the button is so nice. Buttons are properly inside here too, and this is your LS slider, properly accessible, working, everything just super cool. And this one also is nice, it protects the camera too, and this glass actually is slightly beneath that, this covering is slightly over to the plastic one, so it will protect there. So there is no draft proof stuff, but it looks cool. So I guess there is some different colors options available too. So there you go guys, these are your cases. Let's talk about the skins and protectors that I use. So you guys know that I always use some kind of scratch protector on my phone. So whatever phone I'm going to keep for longest period of time, I used to apply complete scratch protector. So these are Gadget Series scratch protector. I'm using this products from almost 3 to 4 years from now. You can see this guy is almost 3.5 years, 4 years old. Still it is completely shiny. Once I remove it, I can see the original beautiful white color, because it just makes my phone safe. So applied on Redmi Note 5 Pro, is there on a Mi A1, and almost all the phones that I own, they have these kinds of scratch protectors only. Pixel 2 XL currently I'm using, that has the same scratch protector. My Galaxy S9 Plus, almost all the phones that I use, I just use this kind of scratch protector. So you can apply in both front, all that you can just cover. It even covers the camera lens too. Actually it's got removed, so you can see this one here. So you can make your phone completely safe. If you just want to see the original color, just apply this transparent protector. It takes 1 or 2 days to stick, otherwise after that it's just super cool. You can easily remove it and you can reuse it. Now it's time to show you the skin. The one I'm using currently on the S9 Plus is I guess the brushed aluminum. That looks super awesome. And the one they got the new design from the Skinova. Again, this is a new design. This is called as a black grudge. So that looks cool. It has some a smooth part, some rough part, so that looks pretty dope. So this skin and this scratch protector you can easily buy from the international. You can get from anywhere in the world. You can just get that thing, and the official tempered glasses also you can buy from any of the country you're available. So check the description for all the purchase links. So there you go guys, this is your OnePlus 6 accessories part 1. Stay tuned to the channel. Once there is new cases available from the good brands which are available international, locally, with drop proof protection also, I will show you very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your OnePlus 6 video. I'm Saurabh, and catch you guys in next video very soon. Till then, have a great day.